Katy, Texas, new inspection. So I passed and failed at the same time. Busted drain clean out. There's all kinds of debris inside. The video's not going to show it. There's all kinds of debris inside. We've got some flashing tape in need of repair. Underdriven fasteners that will allow for water intrusion. Overdriven fasteners that are going to allow for water intrusion. All up and down. Flashing tape not sealed down correctly. That's going to need to get fixed. We've got some loose dry line. Missing ankle bolts. We've got a hole that's going to need to get sealed. Flashing tape in need of repair. These builders love to nail through the flange, not use the slider holes provided by the window manufacturer. You have to fix that one. You should really set the pressure on your nail gun so that you don't damage when you fasten. What happens is if there's too much pressure, you're going to damage it. Water's going to get in, and you can see this is green, right? So it's a wall bracing and water resistant barrier. Okay, you just damage it. We're going to let water in. Take a look. This. Take a look. Just look at it. Take a look. What do you know? Got some tape in need of repair. This whole area here is going to need to get redone. Forgot to fasten that down. This is a post for the patio, so that it's done incorrectly. So the top is supposed to overlap the bottom, so when water comes down, water doesn't go in. Water's just going to go in. It just made it real inviting to have some water intrusion issues. And we did this one just like it. And we decided we wanted to add some staples here. So when you install flashing tape, you cannot have any wrinkles or bubbles. This is not going to seal down properly. We're going to have a ton of water intrusion issues. You ever wonder why you have trouble going good side? All this debris, all this junk, they just leave it here. Take a look at that. Gotta seal that down right. It's gonna end up looking like this real soon. Definitely can't have Romex in contact with the gas line. We're gonna need some insulation. Let's see, anchor bolts. Check out these gaps. We need a 2-inch clearance from your dryer exhaust fan to any combustibles, so you definitely don't want this. What'll happen is it'll end up melting, and then there's live electricity, and we're going to electrify our dryer exhaust vent, which is not good. Should look like that. Need a nail guard. Missing nail guard. All these holes where you can see daylight, it's going to allow water to come in. So it's not recommended to have a 90 in your AC ducting. It's definitely not recommended to have a 180. It's going to be really poor airflow. Missing a support here. Should really have a support here and here, and on that one as well. You don't think that's going to move? These gaps in the framing. We wonder why the stairs squeak. So our beam is cut short. We're relying on the strength of nails, and that's it. I mean, it is a big beam. You can see where it rests. Need some insulation. Got to separate the electrical from the gas line. Missing a nail guard. Check this out. So this is the beam from earlier. It's going to be resting on these studs right here. Look at that gap. So you can see we've got this beam because we've got this really nice glass door, but there's no continuity. So we have a bracket here, a bracket on this other end, and at the top, your top plate just ends right here. So there's no continuity from one side to the other. This is a far out of it, so you can see this portion here is completely disconnected from this portion here, and this portion is kind of connected if you look at it. So you can see the framing, how it goes up, and it goes up, and we're connected right at the top plate. So it's all, you got continuity there, but you lose it from here to here. This header's not flush. Check out the gap on this header. Undergut header. Staircase. Check out these gaps. Wonder how that's gonna transfer load. This decking's uneven. You can see my finger hits right there. We're upstairs. Check this out. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it's nice and spongy. The subfloor upstairs is supposed to be tongue and groove. So you can see here, got a change in material. Got some uneven areas, some spongy areas, but you can see some of these uneven areas I'm talking about. Ever wonder why your fixtures are loose? This whole area is uneven. I don't know what flooring material they plan to put. We gotta redo this subfloor first. Missing some more insulation. This is that beam I was showing you earlier with that huge gap. All this weight is gonna be on that beam. I need some more insulation here at the gas line. Damaged subfloor. Check this out. It moves. Some more daylight. You see this beam right here? It's twisted already. Mechanical exhaust vent for a powder room. That's incomplete.